start sharing my tips, I want you all to hit the subscribe button below and give a comment. What do you want me to do? Solo traveling is become a passion to a lot of people nowadays. They tend to get to solo travel when there are no people want to accompany them, because people are busy with their works, their chores, and maybe they don't have quite money at the time, so waiting for them is quite long. So you can go to a solo traveling. Solo traveling gives you a lot of benefits, such as you can know a lot of culture. You can see a beautiful scenery on the road, and you can know and meet a new friend. Maybe they have same interest with you. Maybe you can be a BFF. Who knows, right? What we may face when we go to solo traveling are pickpocketers, or maybe a robber, not a robber. The first thing you must be aware when you go to traveling is your purse. You have to always keep this in safe. For me, I do not put my wallet in the back pocket, because pickpocketers can take it easily. I put it in the front pocket. And another thing is, when you are in LRT, in train, you must double your awareness to check on your wallet. Secondly, you must avoid to walk alone in a creepy place or a silent place. Don't walk alone. When you see a people or a crowd, try to be walk in the crowd, so the robber doesn't have a chance to do any harm to you, right? When you go to solo traveling, if you are go travel in another country, you should learn a basic word of their language. You can ask for the direction, you can ask where to eat, and you can ask what to ride, where to stay, and the place that are beautiful. Yes, you can ask the local. Gracias. Por favor. Adios. If you have a bucket list where you want to go, challenge yourself to go there by your own. Like, if you want to go to dive in the sea, then go for it. Don't be afraid, because you are there, you are experiencing it, and you must know how to keep yourself entertained. For me, when I walk alone, I do a vlog. So when I go to solo traveling, I talk to people. I challenge myself to talk to people, because no one know you. No one know your attitude. No one know how you are. You can be anything. You can be an extrovert. You can be introvert. Yeah, you can be a cheerful person. You can be a happy person out there. There's no one know who you are. Learn how to take your own picture. As for me, when I go to solo traveling, I ask another people to take my photo, but it does a bad photo, man. Oh my god. And then another option you can do is bring a small tripod with a remote, so you can take your picture by yourself. Or maybe you can set a timer to take your picture. This picture are important. Picture and video are important to recap your memories, to recap your experience, to recap your accomplishment in your solo traveling. When I scroll back my gallery, I see my travel photos. It's still inspiring. Yes, it's still inspiring myself. I feel, wow, I do this. I can't believe. Yes, I can't believe that I do this. Solo traveling gives you a great confidence like now. Try it all. When you go to a place and you see there's activity or event that held in that place, you can join it. Like if there is feeding an elephant, you should try feeding an elephant. You can gain a new experience for yourself. Maybe there's a surfing in that place. You can try surfing, diving, or anything that available at that place. Such as when you go to Malacca, you can try for the fish shop, the beca. Okay, you know the beca, and you can try to eat the locals food there, like the chendol. Tips in solo traveling is take your time. When you go to solo traveling, take your time, because no one arrange your schedule or your time. You are not being tied with anyone. You're not tied with time. You can go at what time to the place, right? So enjoy your time. So when you go to a solo traveling, you must set in mind there's no one going to bother you on your travel. You need to embrace your free time alone. Yes, that's how you express yourself. And the last tip is you have to always control your budget, because we are solo traveling, we are alone. So make sure you are controlling your budget. Don't spend to the thing that you don't need, like expensive clothes. When you find on the way at the place and in the mall at the place, don't waste your money. My friend, don't waste your money. You have to control your expenses. You have to allocate your money to more activity thing, like ATV riding or elephant feeding, a snake picturing. We have to always save budget for local foods that you have to try. Okay, that's all for me. Captain Jack Sparrow, soy Capitán Salazar. Adiós, hasta luego.